A for apple. B for boy. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fruit. G for goat. H for horse. I for iron. J for jacket. K for kettle. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra.